Imagine stepping into a car that costs over $1 million, yet makes every drive feel like royalty. The 2024 Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't just a car, it's a statement. From its aggressive stance to the opulent interior, this masterpiece is redefining luxury on wheels. Stick around, because we're diving into every detail of this one-of-a-kind beast. Welcome back to AutoLuxe Studio, where we bring you the finest luxury cars in the world. Today, we're exploring the 2024 Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom, an ultimate blend of bespoke craftsmanship, insane power, and unparalleled luxury. The first thing you notice is the bold exterior makeover by Mansory. The Phantom's iconic silhouette is now accentuated with a carbon fiber body kit, giving it a more aggressive, modern look. From the redesigned front bumper and sporty air intakes to the sculpted rear diffuser, every angle screams sophistication and power. The paint options are absolutely striking. Mansory offers dual-tone finishes combining matte and glossy textures, making this Phantom a true head-turner. And those headlights and taillights, redesigned to feature crisp LED signatures that enhance visibility while adding a futuristic touch. Up front, the Phantom retains its signature grille, but Mansory adds subtle tweaks with a carbon fiber frame and redesigned badge detailing. The air intakes are larger, not just for aesthetics, but also to enhance engine cooling, giving it a sportier edge without compromising luxury. At the back, Mansory elevates the Phantom's presence with a sporty diffuser and quad exhaust tips. The taillights are smoked slightly for a modern appeal, and the Mansory logo sits proudly, signaling that this is not your standard Rolls-Royce. From the side, the Phantom appears even more imposing. The 24-inch forged wheels not only look aggressive, but also complement the car's elongated profile. Carbon fiber side skirts and subtle Mansory branding complete the ultra-luxury look, making it instantly recognizable from any angle. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a private jet than a car. Hand-stitched leather, custom wood, and carbon trims, and starlight headliner upgrades create a cabin that's lavish beyond imagination. Every stitch, every detail screams bespoke craftsmanship. The seats are fully adjustable with massage and cooling functions, ensuring absolute comfort even on long drives. The dashboard features a mix of classic Rolls-Royce design and modern tech. Mansory adds exclusive touches like embroidered logos and carbon fiber accents, blending luxury with sportiness perfectly. Mansory Phantom's ambient lighting is fully customizable, bathing the cabin in a soft glow that matches your mood. Other luxury features include refrigerated compartments, bespoke audio systems, and multiple storage options that elevate the comfort and convenience for every passenger. The car comes loaded with cutting-edge infotainment, navigation, and connectivity systems. Mansory upgrades include personalized touchscreens, enhanced sound systems, and smart integration that ensures both driver and passengers enjoy every journey. Under the hood, Mansory boosts the V12 engine from 563 HP to around 610 HP, giving the Phantom extra punch. It's still a luxury cruiser at heart, but with added acceleration and smoother handling, making every drive exhilarating. The Phantom glides over roads effortlessly, balancing immense power with Rolls-Royce's legendary ride comfort. From cornering to highway cruising, the Phantom handles like a dream. Adaptive suspension keeps the ride ultra-smooth while ensuring stability at high speeds. This is a car that doesn't just impress visually, but performs flawlessly behind the wheel. Safety is paramount. Advanced driver assistance systems, night vision, lane departure warning, and collision detection come standard. Mansory ensures that while you're surrounded by luxury, you're also protected at all times. The 2024 Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than a car. It's an experience. With its aggressive design, ultra-luxurious interior, and enhanced performance, it's clear why this masterpiece commands attention wherever it goes. Every detail, from the wheels to the ambient lighting, is crafted to perfection, making it the ultimate luxury icon. If you want to see more high-end luxury cars like this, subscribe to AutoLuxe Studio and hit the bell icon. And if there's a special car you want us to feature next, drop your suggestions in the comments below. We love hearing from you.